Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to yet another episode. I am Kyle Johnson, your friendly neighborhood biochemist. Really excited to talk to you about this week's supplement because of how awesome it is for our overall body health. It's known as choline. Choline is involved in many different body systems, everything from neurotransmission to overall body methylation, and it's also heavily involved in muscle contraction, which we're going to start this episode by giving you a little bit of a cell biology lesson so you can see just how important this is in something like muscle contraction. So to show you that importance of choline, we're going to talk about muscle contraction. If you want to contract a muscle, any muscle action whatsoever, you need a signal from your brain, right? This happens on top of a muscle. You have something called an axon terminal. And right in between that axon terminal and the muscle is something known as a synaptic cleft. This gets a bit wordy. I promise this will be brief. When you want to fire a muscle, you get a signal from your brain that goes into that axon terminal. Calcium then flows into the axon terminal, releasing acetylcholine into that synaptic cleft. When there, it hits a receptor on top of the muscle, which allows sodium ions to go into the muscle, creating something known as an action potential. Then your muscle fires. That's just a brief explanation so you understand if you don't have choline, you don't fire muscles. I said choline was involved in many different bodily health systems, and this includes something as important as liver health, proper liver function. If you're looking for benefits for your liver, you would want to take something like choline bitartrate, which is one of the forms choline comes in. It comes in three main forms: choline bitartrate, alpha GPC, and CDP choline. For liver health, we recommend choline bitartrate, but if you're looking for the neurological benefits of choline, you're going to want something like alpha GPC or CDP choline. Now, the typical dosage on choline is about 500 milligrams, but it's important to note that choline is only a part of the weight of these molecules. Now, what do I mean? If you're going to take a certain amount of choline, you have to take into account the fact that it's not the only thing making up the molecule. There's something attached. Alpha GPC has something attached to choline. Choline bitartrate has something attached to it. So if you take a gram or something, or 100 milligrams of something like a alpha GPC, it's only about 40% choline by weight. So if you took 100 milligrams of alpha GPC, you're getting 40 milligrams of choline. Lastly, it's very important that I note that people who get enough choline in their diet as is, you're really not going to notice any more overall body health from further supplementation. However, if you don't eat enough things like egg yolks or beef liver in your diet, supplementation can absolutely help with overall body health, nootropic response, etc. at a dose of about 500 milligrams per day. Make sure you get the weight for choline in whatever molecule you're taking. You're going to have to do a little math with this supplement. Sorry, it is what it is. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.